Today we are going to speak about technical indicators. Technical indicators basically are two types: leading indicator and lagging indicator. Basically, we need to realize before going ahead, of course, let me be clear. We need to realize that there are no indicators, no news, no global cues, etc., etc. Nothing can really dictate terms to the market. Market is its own master. Market is supreme. It will do what it feels is right. Having said that, we need to realize that indicators which are good, if we read them properly, if we read them well, we can make a lot of money, especially the lagging indicators. Of course, as we go ahead, you will realize that I don't have too much of faith in leading indicators. Lagging indicators that I use have more than 70% success rate, and these indicators on their own, they are very good, but when they support each other, they are very, very good. That is why we need to use the indicators as a combination of one or two, three, four, whatever. The indicators that we are using may be good on their own, but we need to still keep using stop loss for safety purpose. I use a combo of 10 indicators for safety. These 10 indicators combo, when they give buy signal, market normally tends to move up, and when they give sell signal, they tend to move down. These are the 10 indicators that I use normally: super trend, ADX, Vortex 14, MACD's histogram, parabolic SAR, Kelton channel, Bollinger Bands, RSI, ultimate oscillator, and 5-day moving average. Among these, parabolic SAR and RSI are my favorite. RSI is a momentum indicator which gives, normally people use it for overbought and oversold indications, whereas I use these for RSI 30 and 70. I use RSI 30 as a trend reversal signal, expecting the market to go up when it starts moving above 30. The same way, RSI 70, when it starts moving down from 70, the indication is clear that market is expected to go down. You see, individual indicators when we are talking about, this is the super trend for last 2 weeks. This is the Nifty's ADX for last 2 weeks. This is Nifty's Vortex for last 2 weeks. This is MACD or MACD histogram for last 2 weeks. This is PSAR for last week. This is Kelton channel for last 2 weeks. Bollinger Bands for past 2 weeks. RSI for past 2 weeks. Nifty's ultimate oscillator for last 2 weeks, and 5-day moving average for last 2 weeks. Individually, these are very good, but as a combo, it is very, very good. That is, we should use individual indicators for our trading, but then we should use this combo as more of a harness. Once the indicators combo, 10 indicators combo has given us sell signal, we better not think of going long till it gives us buy signal. See how it looks for the last 2 weeks. fact, everything is more or less completely red except for some small aberration. Everything is in red. See how it was looking couple of weeks before that. This is after the 5th of December. Basically, on 1st of December, Nifty made an all-time high of 18,887 and started dipping down. And by 5th, indicators started giving us sell signal around 18,600 levels. And see, from 18,600 levels, the total points have started coming down, especially from 15th of December, it has started coming down. And from 18,600 levels here on 14th of December, it has come to 17,800 levels latest. So this is a very, very good indication. We need to, I request all of you to have a look at it. If you don't understand, or if you have a difficulty understanding, or if you have got any doubt, please feel free to call me on 937267210 or log on to NiftyIndicators.com to discuss with me the issues. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.